I thought of something funny to say, but now I can't remember what I'm gonna say.
Thought of something funny to say, what, to the ostriches?
No, that's the intro. I think it was something along the lines of like, we're going to the ostrich farm. I don't know. It's not very funny. We're going to the ostrich farm. I feel like there's something in my eye. Alright, well, we are going to the ostrich farm. Like I said, it is approximately 30 minutes away. It's 11:30 a.m. on Labor Day Monday. Celebrating the laborers by feeding the ostriches. That's how you do it.
Oh, I like
Honestly, I hate this. Like, I really don't like this at all. This is so sad. It's like fucking 100 and something degrees outside. And these deer are all just trying so hard to stay in the shade. Let's have this little guy. He's probably hungry as hell.
You really need to have more shade for these animals.
Yeah, this is not... I don't like this. I don't like this one. Y'all want some? They're so gentle. Oh, that's my finger. Look at their eyelashes. They're so beautiful. Hey, what's good?
That's really cool.
Hey, you hungry? Sure. Oh, bro. Oh my god. Oh, bro, chill. Look, it says, yes, ostrich bite. Y'all want some food? Whoa, chill.
There's a loose goat.
I don't think that goat's supposed to be right there. Is it supposed to be right here?
What's up, buddy?
He has on a collar.
Want some food?
His name is Duke.
Duke's kicking it in the shade.
Oh.
There's a goat, they'll eat anything.
Looks like you got us so.
It says you're supposed to hand feed them, but that doesn't make any sense to me.
I think it's my company.
Oh, that's so weird. Oh god, that's weird.
Alright. Who wants it? Oh. Take the lid off. There you go. Oh my god. And it tickles. Why are you licking my arm like that? Oh, stop! Why is it licking me? Please stop. Stop licking me, bro. That shit was fucking scary. I didn't like it. I just really didn't like how he was licking all up on me. It was scary. There's a poor little girl in there having an actual mental breakdown just being in the same room as all those birds, and I honestly don't blame her. They were scary. Not good energy in that atrium or whatever you call it. Stinky. Okay, get this one.
Put it right here. Go ahead, pose it.
Oh god, that's weird. It feels like when like you're feeding a horse and how their lips touch you, but like plus suction. Okay, ostrich farm recap. Go.
Okay, we got there, fucking hot, super hot outside.
We saw donkeys.
First thing we did, fed donkeys. Second thing, we fed deer. I like the deer. They were super cute. They were gentle.
Yes.
That's all I remember about them.
Very gentle.
Next, we went straight to those goats sticking their heads out of the glory holes. You fed a goat with your mouth.
That was fun.
Put a little grass in your mouth and the goat ate it.
Fun, yes.
And then from there, I think
We never fed any bunnies. They didn't have bunnies.
No, that was a fucking scam.
We didn't have any bunnies out today, but there was a loose goat named Duke. So Duke is still a mystery. Don't know if he was supposed to be out on his own or if he's just an escape artist. But either way, he was cool. Birds were fucking horrifying for no reason. Like, I really just did not expect it to go like that. And yeah, overall, it's a super fun day at the
Rooster Cockburn Ostrich Ranch. Show them how hot it is. Yeah. We like that. We in the desert. Bye, Ostrich Farm. Blast.
was.
That's an amazing time.
I know I look crazy, but just listen to what I gotta say, okay? I just wanted to come in on the end and give a kind of disclaimer because we didn't really know exactly what this place was before going. We just thought it was cool. Jake and I both love animals and learning about them and stuff, so we went. And it was cool, it was fun and everything, but it wasn't, I don't know. It's just kind of sad to see the way that they were taking care of the animals and like the way everything was set up, and the situation that the animals were in wasn't very good. To make a long story short, the place is probably not a place that I plan on going back to or giving more money to, or that I would recommend a bunch of other people to go to. But I went and it was like fun, I guess it was cool and whatnot, but I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there just because like I know in my heart that like going there afterwards it kind of felt a little bit wrong, and I don't want you guys to think that I'm like totally cool with all of that kind of stuff because it doesn't sit right with me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, please like and comment and subscribe and click the bell because I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. I got plenty of content for you guys coming up, so get ready, get excited like I am. Anyways, thank you guys for your support. Thank you to all my subscribers who've been watching me thus far, and let's just keep on growing. So, with all that being said, thank you once again for watching. I will catch you on the flip.